Alright.
Yeah. Lady.
Can't see it from there.
Hold on. You can play music on this?
Yeah.
Where's the bumper? 10 seconds.
No, I'm saving it.
Where? Do you have any swag songs?
Yeah, the question was
Swag songs.
New boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, nag-i-i-i-i-i. What's on your watch?
Wow. This is all leftover.
Okay,
Come over here.
check my swag. This is the new 2010. This is how we do up in the 8. This is the 8, okay? 8, 5, 9. Are you ready? You ready? Oh. You're supposed to say yes.
I want to see this.
Hurry up, Kaka.
Drop the beat, home.
Hurry up, DJ.
I'm ready to do my thing. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
What kind of hip hop is this?
Huh? This is the adaptation production of adaptation.
Hurry up, Mason.
For me?
Yeah.
What?
Because you're blocking the view.
This is Mike. Oh, that hit my nose.
I don't know which one.
Let's play a song.
Play one.
Any kind of song is fine. You want to battle this? All of this?
Dance with Nicole Taiwan.
Get in the light.
Hey, right here. The
That's
jerk.
called Matrix. Check the shoes. Yup. Exclusive. Can't get this in this kind of size.
Ahora, relax.
Come on, man. I'm losing breath here.
That was a jerk.
Today's Thanksgiving. Look at my stomach.
That was a jerk song.
Let me do it sideways. 1 foot. The turkey's coming back up. Okay. I'm gonna do my break dance. Watch out! This is called spooning.
Is this going on YouTube? Look at this. Is this going on YouTube?
That's all for right now.
That's now.
I have to catch my breath. I think I just lost 10 pounds.
See?